Thanks for your interest in HCC's Air Conditioning Technology program. I'm Dennis Alvey, the program coordinator. Students who enroll in the program will have an opportunity to earn 5 credentials. As students complete courses in the program, they will earn 4 short-term certificates, including Building Controls Technician, Environmental Controls System Servicer, Environmental System Repair Helper, and Refrigeration Mechanic. Once students complete the program, they will earn the primary umbrella certificate of Domestic Air Conditioner and Furnace Installer for a total of 35 to 36 credit hours. Students will be required to earn an EPA license and an OSHA 10 safety card. I encourage you to review the Air Conditioning Technology webpage for more details. I'm happy to speak with you to answer any questions about our program. If you're interested in getting started at HCC, please consider completing our free college application as a first step.